Spent some nights just wondering where all the years have gone, working while the world was sleeping, trying to keep holding on. I've had dreams that took a little longer. I've watched some plans fall through, but every morning that I'm given is another chance to choose. I don't know what waits around the corner. I don't know how far I'll go, but there's still a little fire inside me that I refuse to let go. If tomorrow finds me tired, still reaching for a dream, I hope I haven't stopped believing in the person I can be. I don't need to know the ending or where this road will lead. If tomorrow finds me trying, that's enough for me. I've missed the ones I love sometimes. I've missed the place called home. I've learned that you can love somewhere even when you're far away. I've carried things I never mentioned. I've smiled when days were hard, and somehow through the disappointments, hope kept beating in my heart. Maybe life won't look the way I pictured years ago, but I'm beginning to understand there's still some road to go. If tomorrow finds me tired, still reaching for a dream, I hope I haven't stopped believing in the person I can be. I don't need to know the ending or where this road will lead. If tomorrow finds me trying, that's enough for me. And if somebody hears this song who's barely holding on, I hope you know you're not too late. Your story isn't done. You don't have to move a mountain. You don't have to have it all. Sometimes getting up tomorrow is the bravest step of all. If tomorrow finds me tired, I'll still reach for that dream. I'll keep a little faith alive in the person I can be. I may never know the ending until I've walked that final mile, but if tomorrow finds me trying, then I know I'm still alive. If tomorrow finds me trying, that's enough for me.